For breakfast, I want to make something quick and tasty, with that wonderful smell of frying coming from the kitchen. For this recipe, take 3 eggs. Add 120 milliliters of milk at room temperature, 1/3 teaspoon of salt. Mix well to dissolve the salt. Take 1 tomato and cut it into cubes. You can replace it with red bell pepper for more color. Add the chopped tomato to the egg mixture. Finely chop a couple of green onion stalks. Add them to the eggs. Add 2 tablespoons of flour with a small heap. If needed, add 1 more tablespoon. Mix well to combine everything smoothly. Look at those beautiful colors! I decided to use cheese flavored with saffron and black pepper. It gives the pancakes a rich yellow color, an expensive aroma, and a slightly spicy taste. Grease the pan with a little vegetable oil. Pour in 1 ladle of butter and spread it evenly over the pan. Fry for about 2 minutes on one side, then flip. Place a few slices of cheese on 1/2 of the pancake and fold it over. Look how beautiful these pancakes turn out. They're soft, golden, with melted cheese inside, and the fresh aroma of vegetables. A perfect homemade breakfast. And the best part is how easy it is to make. You'll need just a few basic ingredients and a few minutes of your morning time. This breakfast fills the house with a cozy aroma and instantly lifts your spirits. Enjoy it with a cup of tea or coffee, and your day will start off perfectly. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. See you next time! Bye bye!